In this video, you'll learn how to use Yt-dlp with browser cookies directly through Universal Video Downloader in minutes. Upon launching the software, the app automatically downloads and configures required tools like FFmpeg and Yt-dlp in the background. Next, open the Advanced section and choose the Firefox Cookies option. The application now downloads the required Deno plugin automatically. Now copy the YouTube video URL you want to download, paste it into the app, and click Download Now. Universal Video Downloader will start processing the video using Yt-dlp with your browser cookies. Once the download is complete, the app opens the Downloads folder so you can access your video immediately. You can download Universal Video Downloader software from the GitHub Releases page. The link is available in the YouTube description.